Today we're taking a closer look at the BMW S1000RR, a motorcycle that has redefined what it means to be a superbike. It's fast, it's fierce, and it's loaded with cutting-edge tech. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just love admiring high-performance machines, the S1000RR is a bike that commands attention. Let's dive into what makes this beast tick. The BMW S1000RR is not just about raw power, it's about delivering precision and performance. Let's start with what's under the hood, or rather, the fairing. At the heart of the S1000RR is a 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, delivering a whopping 205 horsepower. This means blistering acceleration and a top speed north of 185 miles per hour. BMW has tuned this engine to deliver power smoothly across all RPM ranges, making it as fun on the streets as it is on the track. But power is nothing without control. The S1000RR comes equipped with some of the most advanced electronics you'll find on any superbike. BMW's dynamic traction control, ABS Pro, and multiple riding modes help tailor the bike's performance to different conditions, whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing limits on the track. You also get a full-color TFT display that's crystal clear in any lighting, giving you all the information you need at a glance: speed, gear position, lap times, and more. And for riders who love pushing boundaries, there's launch control and a quick shifter for clutchless gear changes, keeping your focus where it belongs, on the road. Let's talk performance. The S1000RR's lightweight chassis, combined with a sophisticated suspension setup, ensures razor-sharp handling. Weighing in at just around 434 pounds, it's impressively agile for a bike with this much power. BMW's electronically adjustable suspension allows you to dial in the perfect setup with the press of a button. You can choose between modes like dynamic or road, depending on how you want the bike to handle. Whether you're hitting high-speed straights or leaning hard into corners, the S1000RR feels planted and confident. The braking system, developed with Brembo, provides immense stopping power, which is crucial when you're dealing with a bike that can reach such insane speeds. Of course, performance is just one part of the equation. The BMW S1000RR's design is as aggressive as its power delivery. The shark-like front fairing, asymmetrical headlights, and sharp body lines all scream speed, even when the bike is standing still. This bike wasn't just designed to look fast, it's built to perform aerodynamically. The fairing and winglets aren't just for show, they help manage airflow, increasing stability at higher speeds and improving downforce when you need it most. BMW has made extensive use of lightweight materials, including carbon fiber in some parts of the bike, which contributes to its overall agility. Every element of the design is focused on reducing weight and improving performance, without compromising on durability. So what makes the BMW S1000RR stand out in a sea of superbikes? First and foremost, it's the balance. BMW has engineered a bike that can dominate on the track, but is also surprisingly manageable on the street. With adjustable rider modes, you can switch from a beastly track weapon to a more relaxed, daily ride with ease. This versatility is rare in the superbike segment. And then there's the build quality. BMW has a reputation for precision engineering, and it shows in every part of this machine, from the engine to the frame to the tech. Everything feels premium. Finally, the tech package. While many bikes have advanced electronics, the integration on the S1000RR feels seamless. Whether it's the rider aids or the digital display, everything works together to give you an unparalleled riding experience. In the end, the BMW S1000RR isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that power, precision, and innovation can come together in one thrilling package. Whether you're chasing lap times or just love the feel of a finely tuned machine, the S1000RR is a superbike that delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think of the S1000RR. Until next time, ride safe.